Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to have you guys back, and today's video is a little different today. In one of my previous video, I had asked you guys a question: how many of you would love to see me do my table decor setup? And a lot of you guys responded you would love to see how I decorate my tables. So look no further. Today we will cover all you need to know on how to host the perfect event of your dream. Stay tuned and watch how I put together this beautiful masterpiece. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And don't forget to share this video with a friend. When styling a table for any event that you're hosting, there are so many options to choose from to achieve your desired look. Whether you're going to be decorating a rectangle table or a round table, you need to choose the color scheme that you would love to go for. The type of table linen you use on your table really helps set your table style. Spend some time considering the colors that you would like your napkins to be, your table skirts to be, your table runners to be. Think about all the beautiful impact it will have on your decor. There are so many variety of centerpieces you could choose from. Just be sure that whatever centerpiece you choose matches the theme or concept of your event. However, I did create a video on how to create this exact centerpiece for less with just using Dollar Tree items. Check out my video on how to create this centerpiece for less. Next, we're going to get into the place setting. This refers to setting the table with tableware, which includes your plate chargers, your dishes, your glasswares, anything that you're going to be using to set up your tables with for your guests. Your table centerpiece, you can add it either during or before and after you're done decorating your table, depending on the size of the centerpiece that you're going to be putting on the table. As for me, I love to add my centerpiece during while I'm doing my table setup, just so how I can see everything is flowing, as everything is looking good, and how everything is coming out beautifully. The table number you use on your table can be used to make a statement beside helping you with your seating arrangement. This table number was actually a DIY that I created myself, and the number you see on there was handwritten by me. If you would like to see me do a DIY video on how to do this table number, comment below and let me know. Finally, we have reached one of my favorite parts when it comes to setting up a table, and that is the type of table lighting you're going to be using on your table. Nothing transforms your reception table ambiance more than the right type of lighting. Get inspired by the type of lighting that you use, such as candles, LED lights, chandeliers, candelabras, twinkle lights, anything you can use to create an unforgettable dining space.